right, so Starbucks NFTs are now available to beta testers. Starbucks is getting involved in crypto, NFTs, and soon the metaverse. I have a feeling that they are, but let's talk about the NFT beta testers right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, I did not get Starbucks today, but I think I'm gonna get some Starbucks coffee tomorrow. And this information is kind of bullish. Now, check this out. Bringing a whole new meaning to the JavaScript. Starbucks is expanding its coffee to the empire or coffee empire to Web3 in earnest as it rolls out a loyalty program in the US to beta testers. Now, the Polygon-based initiative allows Starbucks Rewards loyalty program members and their coffee employees to earn and purchase digital collectibles in the form of NFTs, and that was announced back in September. Now, at the time, the company said the membership program will unlock access to endless coffee experiences, ladies and gentlemen, and from unique merchandise and artist collaboration to invitation to exclusive events. So those NFTs are gonna be worth something based off this information. Now, the experience, I would say the experiences called journeys will involve playing interactive games or taking on challenges which are designed to give the customer more in-depth knowledge of Starbucks brand and the coffee. Completing journeys will earn them NFTs, which the company has dubbed journey stamps. I kind of like this a little bit. I like the fact that Starbucks is looking to improve. They've noticed that Web3 is around the corner and NFTs is going to be highly involved in businesses. And in 2023, NFTs, I have a feeling, can really start to take off. Now, the first stamps will offer a nod to Starbucks history with NFT inspired by its location in Pike Place Market in Seattle, as well as classic designs, according to TechCrunch report. Each NFT will have point value based on its variety or its rarity NFT, and will be able to put out tender of the Starbucks Nifty Gateway Power NFT Marketplace, which launches next year in 2023. So there you have it, NFT Starbucks makes sense, now available to beta testers. Starbucks, I know what you're trying to do. You're looking at the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.